Dude, I'm bored. Let's go do something.
Oh, I'm kind of busy right now. Maybe you should go build something.
What should I build?
Make a better mask.
Nah, we already solved that.
Make another friend.
That is way too hard.
Dr. Octopus Arms?
Nah, we already did that on Jay Laser's channel. Idea, what if we build a cannon?
That kind of sounds illegal.
What if we make it shoot t-shirts so that it doesn't hurt anybody?
You know, that might actually work. Now get out, I'm trying to do some work here.
Hey guys, I'm Zach and we are back today with a quick build because it's been almost a month and our other projects are taking a bit longer than expected. With March Madness now over, our school has absolutely destroyed in the tournament. All hail Daddy Juzang. And likewise, our students have been having very wholesome celebrations. Seeing all this really made me miss the fun of watching sports, doing all the trash talking, yelling at the refs, but it also made me remember one goal that I've had for a long time, catching a free t-shirt from one of those t-shirt cannons. But since we have to wait a bit longer for this pandemic to end, today we're gonna build a t-shirt cannon so that I can finally accomplish that goal. With Zach working on a different project, I'm gonna have my friend Riley help me out on this one.
Yeah, it's actually pretty easy to make. We made one last year, but unfortunately we broke that cannon. But we will be fixing that cannon and making a whole second one because twice the amount of cannons means twice the amount of fun. And we just need to pick up some PVC and some other supplies. So we'll see you guys at our favorite store, Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Yeah, it's news.
What's up guys? Here's our new studio here. We own all of this. Such high roofs, there's so much equipment that's not for sale. Yeah, it's looking pretty snazzy, I would say. There's some workers looking at us, so we're gonna cut to the next bit now. We just got back from Home Depot. Let's go check out what we got. All right, Riley, what are we building first?
All right, we're gonna start off with the trigger mechanism.
How do we do that?
The trigger mechanism is mainly composed of a sprinkler. Took the screws off the front part from over here. If you look on the inside, you can see that this is a diaphragm. The way that this works is a fluid, usually water, comes into this end, comes out the other end. That only works when this section is, this hole right here, is unplugged. If we combine on this, if we drill a hole right over here and attach a trigger, this trigger will allow airflow when it pushes the lever. And that will allow airflow to go through this hole, which will allow the air to go to this.
Seems easy enough, I guess. Let's go do it. Look at that. That's a hole. Okay, progress report. We've finished the trigger mechanism, as you see. We also did the air tank. That's what we're gonna be filling with a bike pump. And then all that air goes through the trigger and then will come out the barrel that we have yet to build. I'm eating dinner and yeah, let's get back to it.
A few moments later.
Wait, Riley, you said you finished?
Yeah, Zach, I finished. See?
Alright, come on. What?
You like it?
It's a little bit long.
What do you mean it's average? 3, 2, 1.
Alright, we fixed the old cannon, as you can see. We have the new one ready to go. All that's left to do is have some fun. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Hell yeah, dude. Let's go.
Yeah, so we're out here now. Turns out shooting a cannon a bunch of times late at night inside of your apartment disturbs other people. We got this note. I thought it was a gift. It wasn't very nice. But, so we're out here now.
Yeah, I think this one goes a little further. Here at Jen Steps, here because all the stadiums are closed, but Zach's up there. He's gonna see if he can catch this all the way up from the top. 3, 2, 1.
we're at the top of jam sets now. If you come over there and zoom in on Riley, you can see how far we're trying to make it this time. Dang it.
All right, so Zach's been having some trouble catching it, so we're gonna go a little bit closer. Zach, are you ready? Alright, we're gonna do it a little bit closer and hopefully you can actually get it this time. You still didn't catch it. I don't know why.
This is our third prototype. It shoots goldfish. We broke it. Why'd you break the other one? All right, so as punishment for breaking the first cannon over here, I'm gonna get executed, and then for breaking the handle after, Zach will also be executed. God damn it.
One eternity later.
Right on the bum. Well, looking back at all the footage, we realized that I never caught a t-shirt throughout all of those clips, but that's okay though. I didn't get to achieve that small life goal, but you guys can help me achieve a different one by subscribing. We're already almost at 500 subs, which is absolutely insane to think about. So make sure to like, comment, and let us know what you want us to build next. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.